The fuck? Man. You hear the sound of that. I ain't eating this sandwich. Hell no.
Oh, Fetty, baby.
What's up? This is Fetty Official, and I'm going to do the chicken sandwich challenge. I am going to be blindfolded, and I am going to take a bite of 4 chicken sandwiches and figure out where did they come from. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm blindfolded. I can't see nothing right now, so hey, bring them chicken sandwiches on. Alright, so I have no clue what's going on, you know. I don't know which chicken sandwich is which, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's the first one right here.
What do you think it is?
Yeah, this Chick-fil-A right here. You taste the pickle. No homo.
You sure? That's your final answer?
Mm-hmm. Final answer.
Okay.
Alright, number 2 is right here. Let's see what this came from. Where's this from?
I'm not telling you.
I want to say like Burger King.
That's your final answer.
Yeah, I'm gonna go Burger King on this one. It's a little spicy though. I'm gonna go Burger King. Alright, shit, it's the third one. That second one was spicy than a motherfucker. Shit slapped though. Damn, this one pretty hefty right here. Heavy duty sandwich. I can smell some lettuce and stuff on here. Let's see what this here for. Got the tomato in there. Oh yeah, I know this. This tomato hit different. This definitely McDonald's right here. It gotta be.
That's your final answer?
Yeah, this McDonald's. This Mickey D's. McDonald's, y'all. Too easy. Damn, sandwich is spicy as fuck. Alright, I'm ready for that fourth one. I think I got 3 out of 3. Possibly 2 out of 3. I know I got the first and third right. This fourth one, let's see what it's cracking. Alright, it's number 4. Damn, this bitch small as fuck. Damn, all this mayo on this. Let's see. Get this shit from. Weakest one though. That's like 95% bread. Like what the fuck? I'm trying to be something from like Arby's or some shit. Hold on. This gotta be like Arby's or some random spot.
So you saying Arby's is your final one?
Yeah. I'm gonna go with Arby's or something. And I just took the blindfolds off. And I feel like I got eye surgery. I can barely. Alright, so looking at the sandwiches and everything, I'm just like, shocked. I'm like, that last sandwich, I wanted to chuck that bitch off the balcony. So get it the fuck out of here. Hell yeah, I already know what sandwich this shit is without you even having to tell me. This a damn motherfucking McChicken look like. Man, don't you have...
You said Arby's, remember?
Yeah, I said Arby's. I don't know what the fuck. But I seen that shit, I'm like, man, get it the fuck out of here. You had the audacity to bring me a McChicken. And from the looks of it, this don't even look like a... I said some damn...
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. I can already tell what this is now.
No, wait, don't say it. I'm gonna tell you which ones they are.
I don't know what the other ones is, but yo, you got me fooled. I probably got like I probably got 0 out of 4. I ain't get none of these right. That's crazy. I probably ain't got none right. Alright. You can let me know which one is which, because I feel like I got stumped on this challenge, you feel me?
Alright, well, number 1 you said was Chick-fil-A.
I tasted taste of pickle on the sandwich. I'm like, man, it gotta be like Chick-fil-A or something.
Okay, well, it's KFC.
KFC though. Damn.
Alright, number 2 you said was BK. It's Wendy's.
Wendy's. Oh, I should have knew. It was spicy. Spicy chicken. And I know what this one gotta be.
Wait, I'm gonna tell you though. Number 3 you said was McDonald's. That is Chick-fil-A.
I am so disrespectful to Chick-fil-A. I'm sorry, y'all need to throw me in jail for this. Like, I did 0 of 4 on this.
4 you said was Arby's. That is McDonald's.
Look at all this mayo on this motherfucker. I'm about to throw this bitch out the window. The fuck? They disrespectful. I'm about to call up there and be like, y'all disrespectful motherfuckers. Damn, man. So, hey. I'm ready to redeem myself or something. But all this chicken sandwiches ain't gonna... You could have this. Get this shit the fuck off the plate. I'll take this chicken sandwich right here. It's a Chick-fil-A. I'll take this one. And this one wasn't too bad either. But, hey. I'm Fetty Official. I'm about to get back to this Chick-fil-A sandwich. And I'm going to throw this bitch off the balcony. The fuck? Man. You hear the sound of that. I ain't eating this sandwich. Hell no.
Just eat it, okay? I paid a good $1 for that sandwich. Eat it.
I'll give you $1. I'll give you $5 if I don't have to eat this shit.
You got none of them right. None. Not one. Not one.
All I know is you better not ever give me no damn McChicken in your damn life.
How they put the mayo on there?
Whoever made that damn McChicken took that bitch and said, put this damn sandwich. Next.
Fetty so official,